Welcome to Bike Blaze Pro, the channel where we bring you the most detailed, professional, and future-focused motorcycle content. Today's narration is all about a machine that adventure riders around the world have been waiting for, the 2026 new Honda CRF 750L. This bike represents Honda's next step in combining true off-road DNA with long-distance adventure capability, and in this video, we'll explore why the CRF 750L could become one of the most balanced mid-weight adventure motorcycles of its generation. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L is designed for riders who want freedom without limits. Inspired by Honda's legendary CRF off-road lineup and Dakar-proven engineering, this motorcycle sits perfectly between hardcore enduro machines and heavy adventure tourers. It is built to perform confidently on highways, gravel roads, mountain trails, and deep off-road terrain, making it an ideal choice for riders who demand versatility. At the heart of the CRF 750L is a refined 750cc parallel twin engine expected to deliver smooth, controllable power with strong low and mid-range torque. This setup is ideal for both technical off-road riding and relaxed highway cruising. Honda's focus with this engine is reliability, fuel efficiency, and rider-friendly performance rather than aggressive peak power. Whether you are climbing rocky trails or cruising at highway speeds, the CRF 750L is engineered to feel composed and responsive. The chassis and suspension are where the CRF 750L truly shines. Built on a lightweight steel frame with a strong yet flexible structure, the bike offers excellent stability and feedback. Long travel suspension, likely tuned by Showa, ensures superior control over uneven surfaces while maintaining comfort during long-distance rides. With generous ground clearance and a well-balanced weight distribution, the CRF 750L feels confident in challenging off-road conditions without intimidating less experienced riders. In terms of design, the 2026 Honda CRF 750L carries a bold and purposeful look. The sharp front beak, slim body panels, and aggressive stance reflect its off-road heritage. At the same time, the aerodynamic fairing and comfortable seat design make it suitable for extended touring. LED lighting all around improves visibility and gives the bike a modern, premium appearance. Honda has clearly focused on blending rugged, adventure styling with practical, everyday usability. Technology is another strong point of the CRF 750L. The bike is expected to feature a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, providing navigation, ride data, and call notifications. Multiple riding modes allow riders to adjust throttle response, traction control, and ABS settings based on road or trail conditions. Off-road ABS settings and switchable traction control make the CRF 750L adaptable to different riding styles and environments. Comfort and ergonomics have also been carefully considered. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and well-padded seat reduce fatigue on long journeys. A large fuel tank ensures extended range, making the CRF 750L a practical choice for adventure touring and remote travel. Whether you are commuting daily or planning a cross-country expedition, this bike is designed to keep you comfortable and confident. When compared to competitors like the Yamaha Tenere 700 and KTM 790 Adventure, the 2026 Honda CRF 750L stands out for its balanced approach. It may not be the most aggressive or the lightest in the segment, but it offers legendary Honda reliability, refined performance, and user-friendly technology. This makes it especially appealing to riders who want a dependable adventure motorcycle without constant maintenance concerns. In conclusion, the 2026 new Honda CRF 750L is shaping up to be a well-rounded, capable, and highly practical adventure motorcycle. It combines off-road toughness, touring comfort, modern technology, and Honda's trusted engineering into one impressive package. For riders looking to explore without boundaries, this bike could be the perfect companion. If you enjoyed this professional narration, make sure to like the video, share it with fellow riders, and subscribe to Bike Blaze Pro for more in-depth motorcycle reviews, future models, and adventure bike content. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.